Hi, I'm Natalie, Front Office Coordinator here at Natural Healing Center, and I wanted to share something I see our practitioners recommending a lot, especially for clients who are working on deeper detox. It's called HMET Binder, and it's one of those behind-the-scenes heroes in our program. Once someone has already started with things like Biotoxin Binder or Chem Binder, this is often the next step. HMET Binder helps the body detox more deeply, especially heavy metals, environmental toxins, and it also supports energy, immune health, and even the repair of your cells. What makes it special is something called Bioactive carbon technology, which means the ingredients stay protected as they move through your system and get to where they're needed the most. Clients often tell us they feel clearer, more energized, and just overall better when they add this to their routine. So if your practitioner has mentioned HMET Binder, now you know why. Let us know if you have questions. We're always here to help.